We have an odd law that states that if somebody commits murder by mistake, they're allowed to run to a city of refuge to stay safe, and they remain there for the lifetime of the Kohen Gadol, the high priest. In the event that the Kohen Gadol passes away before the murderer's verdict and a new Kohen Gadol is put in place, they need to wait for the lifetime of the new Kohen Gadol until they're allowed to leave the city of refuge. It's really odd because when we talk about the new Kohen Gadol being put in place, we say Asher Mashach Oso, the one that he, the murderer, appointed. Why do we credit the murderer for appointing the new Kohen Gadol? It sounds like the prisoners are running the asylum. The Meshech Chachma explains that we see from here an incredible idea. When the new Kohen Gadol is being appointed, if he's going to live for, let's say, another 90 years, God calculates exactly how long that murderer should remain in the city of refuge and make sure that if he should be there 90 years, that a coinciding Kohen Gadol lifespan is there, meaning to say that every single action and calculation that God does is perfect and accurate, and therefore, in essence, because of this, murderer is what's dictating who is going to be the next Kohen Gadol. Amazing to think about that every single thing and every single action and determination in our lives is perfectly calculated by God. Have a great Shabbos.